Assalamualaikum my dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Daily Immersion School, Day Shift, Bonasi, Dhaka. Today I would like to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 4, Lesson number 4. It's about look after the creation. Today's lecture number 8 and I will give HW which number will be 8. Okay, dear students, now come to the board and listen. Today's lesson is 4 and chapter number 4, looking after the creatures. It means in Arabic, khidmatul khalq. Okay, Islamic terminology, looking after the creature means to treat the creatures of Allah with kindness and sympathy towards them. Okay, dear students, it is a definition of looking after the creature. If come in the examination, what do you mean by looking after the creature? Then you have to write down from first line from here to here. This first line and half line of second line is the definition of looking after the creation. Okay, Allah has sent mankind to His world as Ashraful Makhlukat. Okay, dear students, it is also very important sentence. Allah has sent mankind to this world as Ashraful Makhlukat. Ashraful Makhlukat means the best of creatures. There are a lot of creation on this earth and Ashraful Makhlukat is the human being. It means human being is the best of all creations. Okay, and he has created everything else, animals, birds, insects, mountains, etc. For the benefit of human beings. So we should take care of the creatures and maintain them with sympathy. Okay, dear students, now we'll start importance of khidmatul khalq or looking after the creatures. Importance. Allah is pleased with him who treats his creatures with kindness and sympathy. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in the hadith, "Irhamu man fil ardi yarhamukum man fis samai," meaning, be kind to the dwellers of the earth. The gracious Allah, the Lord of the heaven, will show kindness to you. It is one kind of hadith and it is included in the Jami Tirmizi. Dear students, this hadith is very important about the looking after the creatures. If come in the examination, write importance of looking after the creature, then you have to must write down the meaning of this hadith. If you write down in Arabic, it will be better. And if you don't able to write Arabic, you have to write down must in English with meaning. Okay, now we'll start another discussion. Everything in this world, Allah has created creation, and so everything is considered as the member of the family of Almighty Allah, Allah's creation. As the best of all creatures, man has his duties and responsibilities towards other members of the creation. Carrying out these duties and responsibilities is called the looking after the creatures. Okay, dear students, it is the short definition of looking after the creatures. There are a lot of creations on the earth by the Almighty Allah, and as a Muslim, as a human being, we have to must serve to the other creation, and it is known as looking after the creatures. Okay, man has mainly two types of duties. Firstly, duties towards the creator, and secondly, duties towards the creator. Firstly, and second is duty towards the creatures. Okay, the latter includes the duty for helping the destitute and helpless, as well as the duties towards trees, birds, animals, environment, etc. When his creatures are treated, protected and taken care of with kindness, Allah becomes pleased. On the other hand, when they are ignored or treated with cruelty, Allah becomes angry. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in the hadith, this is the important hadith about the looking of the creatures. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in the Mishkat, "Al-khulqu iyalullah, fahabbul khulqi ilallahi man ahsana ila iyalihi," meaning the whole creation is the family of Almighty Allah. So the dearest of the creation of Allah is He who is the best of His family. This is hadith of Mishkat. Okay, dear students, you have to must memorize this hadith. Al-khulqu iyalullah, fahabbul khulqi ilallahi man ahsana ila iyalihi. If you able to write down in Arabic, then write in meaning. And if you don't able to write Arabic, you have to must write in English this hadith meaning. It hadith is included in the Mishkat Sharif. We have to protect our environment from our own sake. Our environment consists of the elements around such as insects, trees, plants, animals, birds, etc. Allah has created all these animals for the benefit of human beings. Okay, dear students, you have to must notice that there are a lot of sentences are underlined, and every underlined sentences are very important, such as this sentence. Allah has created all these elements for the benefits of human beings. This is the very, very important sentence. So you have to must underline this sentence. So we have to take care of them. Our beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam always kind to the all creations, big or small. We should take care of the sick people in society. We should manage to repay the loan of the in debt. Thus, if we take care of the each other in the society, Allah's blessings are due for us. Our beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said in the hadith, Allah meets the needs of him who meets the needs of his Muslim brothers. Okay, dear students, it is also very, very important hadith about the importance of looking after the creatures. So you have to must memorize this meaning of this hadith, and hadith is included in the Sahih Muslim. Okay, dear students, now we'll start. Like human beings, all animals such as goats, cows, popularity, dogs, cats, etc. have appetite and thirst. It is our duty to feed them. Great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said in the hadith, in the another hadith, it is the as like a story, and it is very, very important, and it is very easy hadith. A woman is punished for a cat who is he kept confined till a die of hunger. She neither gave it food nor she if free that it is might eat the worms of the earth. At last the cat died because of food, and Allah punished the woman. This hadith is included in the Bukhari and Muslim. Okay, dear students, we know that Bukhari and Muslim is the most dependable book after the Holy Quran, and it is the largest book also for the Muslims. And in this book come this hadith about one woman who confined one cat on his custody, and he did not give any food and water, and he also did not get rid of. By this way, the cat died in his custody. For this way, Allah the Almighty very anger on her, and he will go to the Jahannam in hereafter life. So as a Muslim, we have to must careful about the creation of Almighty Allah. Okay, dear students, now we'll start. Dearest Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam also says, it is also another hadith, and it is also as a story. A sinful woman of Bani Israel was passing by a dog which was lying down thirst. Then she provided the dog with water. As a result, Allah being pleased with her activity and forgive her. Bukhari and Muslim. Okay, dear students, it is also very, very interesting hadith. A woman who was the woman of Bani Israel. Bani Israel is the very famous tribe of Israel. And one woman who was the very bad, and he also a very bad woman in the society. But when one day he went to the by the way, and she saw a dog who is laying down beside the road by thirsty, and she gave water of that dog. By this way, the dog alive, and Allah the Almighty pleased with her, and he will go to the Jannah for the good work for looking after the creation of small and insect as dog. Allah the Almighty forgive her previous life sin, and she will go to the Jannah in hereafter life. So as a Muslim, we have to must also take care of all creation of Almighty Allah. Okay, now we will start last portion of this lecture. Beside animals, we must be kind to plants, trees, we should not cut trees without any cause. We should not tear leaves of the trees. Uproot plants. Okay, uproot means remove or eradicate. It means in Bengali sire fela. Okay, kono gaছ sire fela othoba upre fela. Okay, trees and plants also praise Allah to save our environment and to meet our own society necessity. Okay, it is our responsibility to be fair towards the animals and the environment. We look after the all creation of Almighty Allah. We will not cause pains to animals. We will not cause any damage to any trees without reason. We will plant trees and take care of them. Okay, dear students, it's time up to this class. As a Muslim, as a human being, we have to must take care of all kinds of creations, such as plants, trees, human beings, or any other animals, such as cat, dog, etc. So we have to must take care of them, and we have to plant a lot of trees for ourselves. Because if we don't plant a lot of trees, then everything, every sphere of this world will be covered with the carbon dioxide, and it will be damaged for ourselves. So you have to must a lot of plants, and don't take care or don't destroy the any plants. Okay, dear students, now I want to give HW on the basis of today's lecture, and today's HW number is 8, and topic of HW, what do you mean by looking after the creature, and write down importance of it. Okay, dear students, you have to write down definition from here to here, and you have to write down from here to here. This is the definition of looking after the creature, and another definition of also from here to here. There are 3 definitions here. You can write down any 3 or any 2, no problem. But importance of looking after the creature, you can write from here to here, and not write word by word. You have to write yourself and shortly. Okay, dear students, you have to submit your HW on every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, stay well. See you again very soon inshallah with another topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.